Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nay. So if you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome. So today's video it's going to be about this wig that I made here. So this wig is like an old wig that I made like a long time ago, and it used to be long, and I decided to go ahead and cut it. Yes, so it used to be like about here, and then I decided to go ahead and cut it into like a long bob, something that shapes my face and everything. So if you want to see how I did it, keep on watching. These are the products that I use in my hair. I use the Design Essentials Natural line. It's the Design Essentials Natural Almond and Avocado Moisturizing and Detangling Sulfate Free Shampoo and their conditioner. What I typically do is I just start off with the shampoo and I just like run my fingers through the wig. I don't like rub back and forth just because I feel like that creates like a little bit more tangles and stuff, and it's like a hassle to try to brush out. So I just like rake my fingers through the wig, and then I rinse out the shampoo and everything, and then I just follow it up with the conditioner, which is, like I said, a part of the same line as the shampoo.
There you go, looking good with your cute ass. You got me falling for you while you do that. Girl, I want to fall in love again. Oh shit, just had a flashback. I'll be messaging your phone, call you every night to make sure nothing's going wrong. I could pull up when I want, I could pull up on my own. Pedicure for you every weekend. Heady having you on fleek, yeah. I got you right where you wanna be, yeah. Where you wanna be. I get so excited when I see ya. Your heart is the only thing that I need, yeah. Deep down I know that you're feeling me, yeah.
Once I've gotten the conditioner in, I go ahead and just like brush that through the wig, and then I let it sit for like maybe like 5 minutes, and then I come back and just rinse it out with cool water.
You feeling me, yeah, yeah. Oh, open your eyes while I say this. I think your love might be dangerous.
So this is everything that I used, except for the flat iron. I didn't have that set out yet, but you'll see it eventually. So now that I have the wig on the head, I just go ahead and comb through the wig from the ends to the top, to the roots, I guess. Not really roots, but you know, to the roots. And then just to make sure that all of the tingles are out and everything. And then what I do is I just go ahead and section it off into about like, well, I start off with like 4 sections, and then I kind of like split those sections in half. So you'll see me doing that, and that's how I like start to form a guide to cut the wig.
I might fall in, it's contagious. I love your sign and body language. Ooh, think I can manage what you're saying. Oh, a little Spanish and some English. Oh, you give me everything I hope for. I swear me and my ex is over. When it's nice like this, I really wanna be right there. I really wanna know if you care. I wanna know. When it's nice like this, I really wanna be right there. I really wanna know if you care. Like this, I really wanna be right there. I really wanna know if you care. I wanna know. When it's nights like this, I really wanna be right there. you care. Said I do. There you go, looking good, what you cute at. You got me falling for you while you do that. Girl, I wanna fall in love again. Oh shit, just had a flashback.
So once I'm done cutting the wig, I go ahead and spray the wig all over with Mazzani's Miracle Milk. And it's just like a leave-in conditioner that helps add like extra shine and like bounce to the hair. So it's really, really good if you wanted to use it on your own hair too. And then I just like go ahead and brush that through, and then I'll blow dry the hair out. Once I'm done blow drying the hair, what I do is I just take my Walls peanut. It's like my trimmer. It's literally shaped like a peanut. It's so cute. But I take that and I just clean up the bob. Once I'm done cleaning up the bob to my liking, I guess, I just go ahead and I section off the bob into 3 sections. I start with the back, and I just take large sections. Normally I would take small, but it's not that big of a deal just because when I blow dried it, it came out pretty straight. So it wasn't too necessary to have like smaller sections. But I just took bigger sections, and then I just did the chase method and straightened the entire bob. I didn't really add too much of a bump to the ends. I kind of just like left it the way it was, and then if I saw like any loose hairs, I just went ahead and trimmed those, and then I just did that to the entire bob, and then we were done.
Right there, I really wanna know if you care.
Alright, I'm just playing. But if you like this video, definitely let me know below in the comments, or hit me up on social media and let me know if you like this video or if you don't. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know below as well. Definitely be sure to follow me on Instagram, hit me up on Facebook. You can add me on Snapchat. That's my personal Snapchat, but it doesn't matter. You can still add me. And definitely subscribe to my channel if you're new, and if you're not new and you just decided not to subscribe yet, go ahead and do it today. You know, carpe diem, baby, carpe diem. Seize the day and just go ahead, bloop, click that button. Okay. Also, guys, if you like this makeup look and you want to see me do some makeup looks on my channel, definitely let me know below in the comments, or like I said, hit me up on social media. If you want to see some pics involving this makeup look, definitely head over to my Instagram and double tap, baby. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Oh, you give me everything I hope for. I swear me and my ex is over. When it's nights like this, I really wanna